Hello there and welcome. This is Shona, and in this video we are going to learn the Shona alphabet and vowels in particular. Shona belongs to the Bantu languages which are spoken in Central and Southern Africa. It is one of the widely spoken Bantu language, spoken mainly in Zimbabwe and neighboring countries. It is one of the official languages in Zimbabwe and is spoken or at least understood by 70% of the population. It is standardized from a number of dialects which include Kore-Kore, Zezuru, Karanga and Manyika. It's closely related to Ndau language, which is spoken along the eastern border, Venda the southern border, Kalanga the western border, amongst other languages. It uses the Latin alphabet. The Latin alphabet is the normal A, B, C up to Z that we use in English. But in Shona, we do not use the letter L, Q, and X. So we are left with the 23 letters. But of the 23 today, we are focusing on A, E, I, O, U, which are the vowels that we use in Shona. They are pronounced A, E, I, O, U. Now I'll take you through each of the letters and give you some examples of how it's pronounced. So we said A is A, the way you would pronounce Fa. And an example of a place or country there, Africa, Africa. And below that is Amai, a Shona word, Amai, which means mother. E is pronounced E, the same way you would pronounce E in bed, bed. And the examples I have here are, this is a country called Ecuador, Ecuador. Okay, and the Shona word below Ecuador is Enda, Enda, which means go. I is pronounced E, as in sheep. Alright, and the examples here I have India, the country of India. And the Shona word we have there is Imba, which means house. O, as in on, on. And the country that I could find there, I think is the only one that starts with O, is Oman, Oman. And the Shona word is Ongorora, which means to observe. U is pronounced U. There you will say good. Right, and the examples there we have Uruguay, and the Shona word is Uripi, Uripi, which is actually a question asking where are you. So the five vowels A, E, I, O, U are pronounced A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. And the summary of what we've just covered is that from the Latin alphabet, we do not use letters L, X, and Q. I will cover more on those letters in another video. And the pronunciations of the vowels A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Thank you for watching. Keep Keep learning Shona, keep speaking it. Tauraji Shona. Goodbye.